Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Alanis here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get your lace looking from this. You see there's like caked up glue. It's all nasty. I mean, it's still very much like, look at that plucking like scalp, but like, let me flip it to show you. We want it to be like free of this glue. We don't want it to be yucky, but we also don't want to damage our lace. So today I have here some water, and I have a disposable bowl with Dawn soap and a little stirring tool, which is my knife. And I'm going to use this, and I feel like I've seen this on TikTok somewhere, but sorry sis, I didn't credit you, but if y'all know, put it down below. You need boiling water. I boiled this water in my kettle, so I'm gonna mix up the soap just so it gets all in there, and then I'm gonna place my wig in there. But first off, I'm gonna wash this wig. So I mean, you don't have to wash the wig because I've done it before, and just place the back of my head. Like, you won't die, like, it's okay. I'm gonna place it face down just because I feel like it sits better, and I'm gonna just dunk that I'm gonna just dunk it, make sure all the lace is in here, and we're gonna let this sit for like 5 minutes. 5 minutes will do the trick. Now what we're gonna do is take this out of the water. So you see it's like this. I'm just gonna take my fingers and I'm gonna gently just rub. You see it? It's just coming off. I'm gonna gently just rub. And it's nice to have like a napkin by so you can just take off the clumps of glue. Oh, can you see the clump of glue? I'm gonna just put that on the napkin, and I'm gonna just rub it. And I'm not rubbing it hard. Don't, scrub it really hard. Just being gentle. Yeah, a couple of hairs is gonna come out, but it's not like really bad. You see, I'm just being gentle, taking my time, not trying to irritate the knots. Sounds like a procedure. This is a procedure. It's very serious. But almost done. Oh, y'all, I promise my lace isn't dyed. It's just because I didn't wash off all this, I didn't realize that the dye would get on my lace if I did it in water. And it just been marinating, so what more could you expect? Like, I don't expect anything less, honestly. Honestly, once you wash this out, the rest of the stuff that's on this lace will come off with the shampoo and conditioner and things. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like after I wash it, and maybe when it somewhat dries. This is like right off of me picking all the hard glue that was on it. You see, it's not as bulky, and there's still some pieces, but it's not as bad. So I'll come back and show you guys what it looks like after. So you guys, I'm just showing you the aftermath of us after we washed the lace. It looks beautiful, like amazing, like no glue. We didn't rub our lace hard or anything to cause our knots to become weak. It's perfect. Another way that you can do this, if you don't want to wash your whole wig and you just want to touch it up, just go ahead and get the glue off the lace, and then rinse off the Dawn soap with warm water, and then just take your blow dryer and just blow dry the lace, and it should give you the same results. And yeah, if you guys have any more questions, any suggestions for videos you would like to see, let me know, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.